You ever been out on trail and you're an hour into your hike and you realize that, man, my back is killing me? Me too. You'd be surprised at how often it's not the weight in the bag, but it's you simply do not have the backpack properly fit or sized for yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that properly. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is we need to measure your C7 to your iliac crest. Well, I gotta kill the gnats. They're doing nothing to you.
They keep flying in my ears.
So to find your C7, you just kind of look down, and it's gonna be a bump right here. So it's right there. It's gonna be the bony part sticking out. So you're gonna take a tape measure and go from that spot down to the iliac crest, which is roughly right here. It's gonna be the top of the hip bone. So he measures at 22 inches. So that would, in theory, make you be large. Not all backpacks have torso adjustments. Nope. So you have to find the proper bag that is going to fit your torso.
It also depends on how you wear it though, too. Because some people like to wear their hip belts on top of the crest, and some people like to wear it lower. Ideally,
you want it right in the middle of the crest. The iliac crest. If you don't know what that is, I'll put an image on the screen.
Yeah, image. Here.
Image.
Here.
So step 2. Basically, you want to start with a loose backpack. So loosen all the straps. Loosen them as much as possible. And it's going to feel stupid. Oh. Also, you want about 10 to 15 pounds in here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your hip belt set up on said iliac crest. I might not be pronouncing that properly, but it is what it is. So that's about right there. You want all your weight sitting on your hips. You don't want the weight on your shoulders. Once you have that set, you can grab your shoulder straps. And this will be step 3. Step 3 is to tighten the shoulder straps to where they're just snug around your shoulders. You don't want it super tight. Step 4.
Don't forget, you also don't want a noticeable gap right here. If you pull these way too tight or pull your load lifters too tight, you'll actually pull these up and you'll get a gap there.
No gap. You don't want the gap. Step 4. Once you have your shoulder straps set, grab these here load lifters. This is what's going to pull all the weight
towards you
and ideally off your shoulders. So grab these straps, pull them, and then you'll notice.
See how much closer the top of the bag came
Now the shoulder straps are here. It's nice and tight. Once you have that figured out, last thing to do is to cinch this and make that snug. It wants to sit about right here. And once you have that set, you should be good to go. Again, remember to make sure you have about 10 pounds in your bag. You do not want to do it with an empty bag. It's pointless. If you like this video or any other video that we've made, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Also, all the gear that we use, we have links down below for affiliates. No extra cost to you. It's just a small percentage towards us to help out with the channel, and all that extra money goes right back into the channel. See you on the next video.